Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. My name is Dr. Wasim Haider. I am a PhD from University of Illinois Urbana-Champaign, USA. And during this semester, I'm going to teach you this course, Bioinformatics 1, Introduction, Essentials of Genome Informatics. So basically इस course के अंदर हम introductory bioinformatics पढ़ेंगे पहले, हम almost first third of the course, and then towards the later 2/3 of the course हम mainly genomes और genomics और genome informatics के बारे में बात करेंगे. Mainly हम लोग DNA या जो total complement of the cell होता है DNA का, which is called as chromosome, उसमें जितना भी जो हमारा जो DNA मौजूद है, when we talk about that, it's under the area of genomics. So mainly bioinformatics के वो वाले algorithms जो कि इस area में deal करते हैं, हम उनके बारे में बात करेंगे. So basically this course will cover the theoretical aspects of the current approaches which are applied in genomics. We'll also talk about the strengths and weaknesses of these current approaches, and we can also talk about some future improvements for these methods. Grading scheme, as you guys already know, in VU we have assignments, quizzes and graded discussions which takes like 15% of your total marks. There is one midterm exam जो कि 35% होगा, और आपका फाइनल एग्ज़ाम जो है वो ऑलमोस्ट 50%, जो रिमेनिंग 50% है वो आपका फाइनल एग्ज़ाम है. Let's talk about the books, guys. And first, foremost, and very important book, which is written by David Mount, which is actually the director of informatics in the University of Arizona, USA. This book is mainly wherever the bioinformatics is taught, it's taken as a textbook. So mainly we will be consulting this book over the course of our period of our lectures and our this semester. So basically this book is named as Bioinformatics Sequence and Genome Analysis. I would go over the second edition with you guys. अच्छा, ये जो blue में hyperlinks दिए हुए हैं आप लोगों को, if you click on that, so that can lead to the web page which is connected to this book. Mainly these books are available on Amazon or Best Buy. You can buy these books over there. And then obviously there is another book which is Instant Notes in Bioinformatics, which is written by David Westhead, who is a professor of bioinformatics in the School of Molecular and Cellular Biology, University of Leeds, UK. As compared to David Mount's book, this is a small book, so you can carry with you anywhere you want. You can put it in your purse, you can have it along with you while you are traveling, and you can read it. So it's a good book for the beginners, I would say. Okay, Vaxvanus is another good book which is be covering the practical aspects of the course. So I may be pulling some homeworks and some quizzes to cover the practical aspects. This book is named as Bioinformatics, a practical guide to the analysis of genes and proteins. Here is Vaxvanus. Guys, I put these slides for you guys so that you should know कि आपके field के अंदर जो big scientists काम कर रहे हैं, where are they? And you should, I would say, go and read their biographies. So this Vaxvanus is head of computational genomics unit, and he's also director of bioinformatics in scientific programming core in NHGRI, which is actually the National Human Genome Research Institute. Another good book which covers the theoretical aspects of bioinformatics. And obviously I've seen this book everywhere wherever we have the bioinformatics curriculum. So this book is written by Richard Durbin, which the book is called as Biological Sequence Analysis, Probabilistic Models and Proteins and Nucleic Acids. Richard is acting head of computational genomics and also the leader of genome informatics group in Wellcome Trust Sanger Institute, UK. Another good book which covers the mathematical aspects of your subject, written by Pavel A. Pevzaner. But obviously this book is a little bit mathematically intensive, so those people with good mathematics background, they will enjoy that. We will try to look into the gene predictions and their algorithms with the help of this book. So there is a small role of this book in our curriculum. Pevzaner is a professor of computer science and director of NIH, National Institute of Health Center for Computational Mass Spectrometry, University of California, San Diego. Another good book written by Neil C. Jones and Pev Zanner, the same guy who wrote the previous book. And Jones is let me go to Jones first. So he's a PhD from UCSD, University of California, San Diego. And he wrote this book when he was a PhD student. So it's a good motivation for you guys that a PhD students can come up with good books. Right now, he's a software engineer at Google. And the book is obviously Introduction to Bioinformatics Algorithm. It covers mainly the algorithmic aspects. So the people who seek fun in computing, they would enjoy this book. Okay, since we are also dealing with the biological aspects of the course, so I would recommend this book, which is Human Molecular Genetics, written by Strachan and Reed. And the hyperlink will lead you to its web page, where it is freely available on NCBI bookshelf. So you can go and read some basic biological stuff in this book. Strachan is Director, Institute of Human Genetics, and is also Professor of Human Molecular Genetics at University of Newcastle, UK.